Alright guys, there's the day and time in the Garmin Forerunner 620. We're standing outside Sears at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, Illinois. And guess what guys? Yep, that's right. That elevator that was being put in here is finally done. And that building is also open. So you know what guys? That's right. I'm gonna take a ride on this elevator. And, yep, you guessed it, it's a ThyssenKrupp. So now we're gonna take it for a ride. Now we're going to head to the upper level. Now I would have filmed with my camcorder, but unfortunately I realized that my battery just died, so this is the only film device that I have with me right now. So anyways, we're going to take it for a ride up. Oh, this one's also hydro instead of traction, surprisingly. So, focus camera. Here we are at the upper level. Now it's right to the lower level. Ring the bell. Now I'll take it back down. Here we're back down at the lower level. Now let's take it up for another ride to watch the indicator and get a cab view. Light screens for up. Now let's take it up for a ride. Here we are back at the upper level. And like the other ones, got solid doors instead of glass. So now let's go back down to the lower level and end the video. Ring the bell again. So now it's time to get a cab view. And it looks pretty much identical to the other elevators. But yeah guys, I finally put this elevator in. And also, I don't think anyone else has filmed it before, so I haven't been the first one to do so. So anyways, up there is your indicator. Here are your fixtures here, and there's your phone. So now we're going to send it up and watch it go up from outside. Alright, so there it goes up. Let's go take a look at the pit here. And it looks similar to the other ones, except this one's hydraulic and not traction. So there's like the little box down there. Yeah. I think this might be a telescoping. Yeah, it's hydraulic. Also, the piston's not in the center, so that probably tells you that's also hydraulic. Kind of an interesting little setup here. So yeah, there's springs down there and the other shaft equipment. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video of this new elevator that we put in here, and that's gonna be it.